Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is March weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini. Okay, Wheel of Fortune. First card. What are the messages for you? Five of Wands under the deck and Three of Pentacles. I think there is a lot of drama going between you and your person. There is no collaboration, there is no partnership between both of you. Maybe one person investing a lot in this connection than the other person. There is a lot of drama. Maybe your person is fighting for your attention. Maybe you are fighting for your person attention. So let's see our reading. Recent past, Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Swords and King of Pentacles. So you are suffering from something. Definitely you are missing someone or missing something. You are in this energy, recent past, Nine of Swords, anxiety, depression type of energy. But it is not a permanent because Wheel of Fortune is here. Definitely things are turning out into your favor. And King of Pentacles is here. Maybe you are more concentrating on your career to avoid this pain, to forget this pain. You are concentrating on your career and you want to take your finances into next level. Yeah, because definitely things are turning out into your favor. Then present, King of Cups, Seven of Swords and Two of Swords. So maybe one person in this connection could be sneaky, playing games. Maybe it's your person playing games with you. Maybe they're wearing mask. You are very indecisive about to make some decision, especially about your relationship. There is something sneaky. Even though they have love for you, they are offering love for you, there is something sneaky. There are some trust issues also because King of Cups with Seven of Swords. That's why I'm telling. Maybe your person playing with two women, whatever. Playing with two men. There is something third party situation is also involved in this connection. That's why you are very indecisive about make decision. And future, Three of Wands, Nine of Pentacles and Page of Swords. There is a lot of spying going. Your person is spying on your social media, but you are focused on your career, on your abundance, on your self-growth. And Three of Wands energy, you turn your back from your person. You decided to turn your back from your person. And for some, it could be long-distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. So the person involved in this connection could be a lot of air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Then fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person current feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Yeah, Knight of Wands is here. Yeah, they're very passionate about you. I think there is no commitment. Passion is there. Attraction is there. So let's see your person feelings towards you, Gemini. Devil is here. Maybe this person is toxic for you, Gemini. That's why you decided to turn your back from this person. And Nine of Swords, they're thinking about you and they want you back again. Six of Swords, maybe they're coming, communication is coming, they're willing to communicate with you to fix the things between both of you. Now they're realizing your worth after you walked away, after you made your decision. Now they realize your way and they're obsessed with you, Gemini. So let's see their actions towards you. Page of Princess of Swords, lot of spying, they are watching you. They are wondering about you a lot, Gemini. Seven of Wands, they won't give up on you. They won't let you go. Three of Wands, yeah. This could be long distance. Some distance involved in this connection, and the Empress. For some, one person in this connection could be pregnant or mother. So they're spying on you. They can't let you go. They will fight for your attention because Seven of Wands, they can't let you go. And Three of Wands, maybe they're waiting. Maybe they're taking their time to come towards you. They're waiting for right time to approach you. But they're watching you. They're wondering about you a lot. How to take a move towards you. They're planning. They're strategizing moves towards you. They're planning. So let's put the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but a lot of air energy. Let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Again, Empress. Right now your person again, this person could be toxic for you, very dominant, non-committal. They can't let you go because they're obsessed with you. Lot of obsession, and maybe for some your person is very dominating. Right now they are stuck. That's why they are watching you. Not unable to make any move. They're watching you. They're wondering about you. But they will make a move towards you because 2 times devil came in this reading. Yeah, they're coming back with an apology and Knight of Swords. They're rushing to communicate with you and the Lovers. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. I think it is about more physical attraction than emotional. Yeah, there is communication is coming. Yeah, I think it is very hard for you to take this relationship to next level, Gemini, because your person is toxic for you, and they are also sometimes feeling that it is hard work for them because you invested a lot in this connection. They're only taking. Now they're feeling also this way. It is burden for you both, becoming burden for you both. So let's see your overall energy. Maybe for some your person gives you false hope. Always they're giving you false hope. Yeah, you're holding back. You decided to, Gemini. You want to be cold with them. Yeah, they're fighting for your attention. Lot of drama. They're coming back to work on this relationship, but you are not trusting them. Let's see your person overall energy. Now they want to offer stability. They're waiting for the right time. Yeah, they know it was ended, but still they can't let you go. Now they're ready to offer long-term commitment, but it is too late. Very few, maybe you will give second chance. It depends on your situation. So let's see some messages from your person and through channel. Passion. Lot of abundance is coming. I am not feel good enough for you. I still love you. And you are pure perfection. And I realized my mistake here. So they still love you and they have so much passion for you, and lot of abundance is coming for you, and they are not feeling good enough for you, and they're feeling that you are pure perfection. Oh my goodness. But they're wondering about you, they're watching you, and they can't let you go easily. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Gemini. Once they will release this stuck mode, then they will come to communicate with you. For some it will take some time because they are taking their time. Maybe they are waiting for right time to come towards you. Because right now your person feeling stuck. It's time to release negativity, especially when full moon in Scorpio. So if you have any negative things in your life, negative thoughts, and you are thinking about someone negatively, so this is the time to release negativity and negative things in your life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.